welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something super cool and super important. How to make smart choices with money. Don't worry, it's easier than figuring out your homework. Okay, let's start with the basics. Money is what we use to buy stuff like toys, snacks, games, or even bubblegum that loses flavor in 5 seconds.
Seriously, why does gum give up so fast?
But money is also something we can use smartly. Just because you have it doesn't mean you should spend it all at once. Here's a little money secret. The smartest kids follow the magic rule of spend, save, and share. Use a little now for something fun. Put some aside for something big later. Give a little to help others. It feels amazing. Let's say you get $10 for doing chores, a birthday, or finding it in your coat pocket. Spend for dollars on a small toy or treat. Save for dollars for a big goal, like a game or bike. And share $2 to a charity, your school, or someone in need. Want to be a money boss? Try these power tips. 1. Make a money jar. Or 3. 1 for spend, save, and share. 2. Think before you buy. Ask, do I really need this? Or do I just want it right now? 3. Set a savings goal. Draw it, hang it up, and get excited every time you save more. And 4. Talk about money with your parents or teachers. Asking questions equals super smart kids. See, you don't have to be a grown-up to be smart with money. You're already on your way. If you like this video, tap the thumbs up, subscribe for more fun tips, and tell me in the comments, what are you saving for now? A toy, a pet, a trampoline? Let me know.